In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Docs and create a basic fillable form. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open your web browser. Any web browser will work, so just choose the one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, in the address bar, type in Google Docs and hit enter. This will direct you to Google Docs' main page. If you're not already signed in, no worries. All you need to do is sign into your Google account before proceeding. On that note, let's move on to signing in. Click on the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Now here you'll want to enter your Google account email address, which could be a Gmail or any other email address registered with Google. Once you've entered your email, click the next button. You will then be prompted to type in your password. Make sure it's correct to avoid any hassle, and then click on sign in. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a forgot password link to help you recover it. Now that you're signed in, you'll see a small grid-like icon at the top right corner. That's the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it, which will reveal a drop-down list of all Google services. From there, find and click on Google Docs. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll have the option to start a new document. You can do this by clicking on the blank document thumbnail, which is the simplest way to begin a new project. Google Docs doesn't have built-in form fields like Microsoft Word, but you can still design a document that mimics a fillable form. Start by opening a new Google Doc and typing form instructions like please complete the following information at the top. If you need to create fields, you can insert lines by simply typing underscores, or even better, use the insert menu. Navigate to table and choose to create a single row multi-column table. This helps structure your fields neatly. To make your form look professional, focus on formatting. Use bold text for section headers or labels to let them stand out. If you prefer a clean look, you can create tables without borders to keep everything aligned nicely. This setup not only works well for printing purposes, but also allows others to fill out the form directly by editing the document. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use Google Docs to create fillable forms. I hope this guide helped you navigate Google Docs with ease and that you feel more confident creating your documents. Thanks for watching and have fun crafting your forms.